is Blessing, and I help busy business owners like you get more business deals with improved business English skills. Alright, welcome to this week edition, this week podcast. I want to say big thank you to you, to all my listeners, wherever you are. You are important to me. Thank you a lot. Enjoy the podcast. Welcome. How are you doing today? Today, I have interactive business presentation strategies for you. Have you been to a business presentation where you slept almost throughout the presentation? Or do your business presentations put people to sleep? Come on, you have alien energy. Joke aside. Alright, do you like it when people sleep after your business presentations? I know that you are listening to me. You are listening to this exact episode. This exam. Like you're clicking, and that's because you want to make your business presentations interactive or something similar to that. Let's dive into the topic. You want to give interactive business presentations that will keep your listeners inspired. I'll make you guys think that your suggestions are made from heaven. Oh my goodness. I'll captivate and energize your clients and your business associates. Who doesn't like that? Who doesn't? Okay. What if I tell you that it is busy to deliver interactive business presentations? Then I'm lying to you. If I tell you it's busy like it's easy. You want it to be easy peasy for you. I will try to make it easier for you, but get ready to do the hard work. So I'll give you 5. As usual, we make it 5. At times I might reduce this, but for now I'm gonna keep it a 5. 5 strategies. Yeah, 5 strategies. So, the one thing that you need to do that's important is you need to study your clients and your business associates. What might work for me, what I might find interesting, may not be interesting to someone else. So you need to study your clients and your business associates and try the strategies and then, or you can try the strategy that you think will be good for them. Yeah, the only thing that's also, then that makes you a genius. Alright, so you need to give interactive business presentations a chance. Starting from today. Okay, those 5 underlying strategies to make your business presentations interactive. You want to deliver your messages with clarity during business presentations. And the most important part is that you want to make your business presentations full of life. You want to create real engagements during your business presentations. Imagine you went for a business presentation. Your business associate had 4 hours of sleep before you came to the meeting. 4 hours, yeah. Then after 30 minutes, you started your business presentations after 30 minutes of starting. You noticed that he had gone to La La Land. He has slept off. He was exhausted. He was already exhausted. I get it. Yes. There are moments like that. Yes, you're right. But let's not forget, Not getting any hours of sleep plus boring business presentations is equal to sleep enough. As simple as that. So don't give them a reason to rest up during your business presentations. Don't give them a reason to make them sleep off. Be interactive, yes, and you can do better. Come on, you can do better. You can do better. You know that you can avoid business presentations during business meetings. Yeah, maybe, but most times, you can't avoid it. You can also make yourself better at delivering interactive business presentations. I don't know what you've done to get better. I don't know what you're currently doing to add life to your business presentations. Regardless, don't beat yourself up, don't be hashing yourself. Okay? That won't help you get better. No, no, no. Sharp, sharp. It's time for you to make it happen for you. Okay. So, and if you are thinking of maybe I should just reach out to this lady to help me out. Alright, fine. If you want me to help you out, all you need to do is for you to send me a message. That's all. Or you need to go to friendlilycoach.com. Boom. I'm on friendlilycoach.com. And don't forget that you are going to get the fruity test deal. You're going to get the welcome package. And the guarantees. Alright, let me tell you one of the guarantees, One of the guarantees is that after working with me for 6 months and you notice that you didn't notice any changes. You didn't notice any changes. Like, not even any improvements. Then I will coach you for free for a month. For a month. That makes it 7 months. Okay, so you will get bonuses and you will get an extra welcome package. You will get that, and you will also get I think that's all. Yeah, you get bonuses and extra welcome package on the website. And that's if you are ready to start working with me now. Okay, yeah. Now, yes. It's still available for now. Okay, so now it's time for me to make this easy for you, and that's why I'm here for you, okay? And don't forget to don't hold yourself back. Don't hold yourself back, okay? I'm reaching out my hand to you. You wonderful people. You wonderful person. Alright, listening to me right now. Okay. So the first strategy I want to give is stick to what you know. Stick to what you know so that you can have the confidence to talk about your ideas during your business presentations. Stick to what you know. Let's say that together. Stick to what I know. The second time, stick to what I know. And the last time, stick to what I know. Woo! Awesome. Alright, number 2. Learn 1 or 2 hints from the news broadcasters. They always add life to it, and you feel like, oh my god, this feels so magical. So it was just talking like, God, this is awesome. Exactly. Learn 1 or 2 hints from them to also add life to your business presentations. Awesome. Nice one. Then the third one is practice in front of a live audience. Practice in front of a live audience. Practice in front of someone that will be sincere with you, not someone that'll say, oh my goodness, you're the best, whereas you sound like, I don't know. Okay. So, The fourth one is choose your opening words purposely and pronounce them well. Choose your opening words purposely and pronounce them well. And the last one is keep it brief and make your clients or business partners laugh. Keep it brief and make your clients or business partners or business associates laugh. There is joy. So spread joy, spread love. Oh my goodness. Alright, this was joining me today. And in case you want to work with me, you want to expand your business internationally with improved business English skills, and you want to get more business deals with improved business English skills. All you need to do is write a survey or message, and you can also check friendlilycoach.com. friendlilycoach.com. And one more thing, there are good bonuses for you. You got a welcome package, and one of my guarantees is that you will get a month, like a 3-month coaching. Yeah, a 3-month coaching. If you notice that you didn't get any improvement while working with me for the 6 months, yeah. Okay, for the remaining 1 month, meaning after the 6 months, and you feel like, girl, I didn't notice anything. You didn't change anything about me. So you're going to get 1 month free. Like, zero fee. You're going to pay nothing for that. Alright, then. But don't forget, take care of yourself. See you next week. Oh, thank you, my wonderful people. Thank you. I'm saying a big thank you to you for listening to this podcast right from the beginning and to this point. Thank you. Alright, in case you want to give me feedback, or you want to speak with me, or you want to work with me, you can check me out on Instagram at friendlilycoach, on Twitter at friendlilycoach, on Facebook at friendlilycoach, and on LinkedIn Blessing and Latte Sunny. Okay? Or you can search for Business English Coach for business owners. On LinkedIn, Business English Coach for business owners. Then you will see my name, Blessing Alade Sami. Alright? Or you can check out my website, www.friendlilycoach.com. www